Absolutely. And anybody out there that hasn't checked out the Paragon product, it's great in ring. I mean, from top to bottom, it seems like every wrestler on the cards, at least the ones that I've watched, are phenomenal talents. You know, they're very over with the crowd. They all work the crowd great. But the staging and the production, I mean, this, in my opinion, Paragon puts on a better show as far as your production and theatrics than, I mean, heck, even TNA. I mean, they sure.
And that is exactly what Paragon's aim is to do. Is that, you know, there's a lot of wrestling out there. There's a lot of competition, but how many of them are trying to put on like an entertaining show that's not just wrestling? And the production team at Paragon, the creative, and the guys who run production and the directors up, they're the masters. I mean, they're the reason why Paragon is getting the reputation and gained the momentum it is. Those guys are geniuses. Like, some of these smartest minds in wrestling are these younger guys that run it. It's, Jared Ganem and Mike Hudak. These are guys that were former talent and former wrestlers who started a production company, and they actually cover CBS Sports MMA. They do a lot of MMA events all over the country. They do a lot of pro wrestling events, but you know, like, one of their biggest things they love to do is produce wrestling and producing the show. And it definitely is what separates our products from everyone else, I believe.